Hey Patty, so I'll share this with you, and then hopefully it answers all your questions, but I'd be very happy to Zoom with you tomorrow at some point. Just let me know, but see if this works. So I'll give you access to this web page. You will have editing rights. So, and like if you want to create another tab, you just go over here, you press this, and then you add a sub page. And we'll say GT for now. I'll get rid of it. And we can move it down here so you have your own page, not part of the home page, but as you see GT comes up. And then if you want to add a sub page to that, you could say 4th grade or whatever. And you can see that's in there. Then you could add another sub page and have, let's add one more sub page, and you could say 3rd grade. Okay, and then if you go to GT, you can change the image to whatever you want. It's very simple. If you want to, whatever you want to add to this, say you're in 4th grade and you want to add something. So this, you can add an image. You can embed a website. So if you have a website, you're right here. You can go to your Google Drive and implement whatever you want into it. A document, a website, anything like that. You can implement. There's uploads from your computer. So anything, you just kind of left click and all this comes. You can put text in, you know, whatever you want. You can have normal heading, title. If you want to get rid of it, you just go to the garbage can and get rid of it. It'll expand as it goes. You can add on as it goes, but it's really simple. I have a feeling that you'll figure out more than I do. You know, like I said, you can change the image. 4th grade GT, you can update. You can have a sub page under the 4th grade if you want. We'll just put extra. I don't know. I'm just making stuff up here. And you see that's in there. And if you look at mine, I have all these different things. And then if you look at, like, sorry, just move. I don't know what it's doing. Basketball has a couple different sub pages under there, so whatever you want. I've included in my basketball, and then if you go to, like, just showing you, I have some driveway shooting games where they can come in and just click on these videos, whatever. I mean, it can be anything you want. Now, after you've created everything you want, you have to publish it. It's not shown, like, no kid can see this right now until you publish it. I can just leave it on there and wait, and then when I publish it, it comes up. But if you do not publish it, it will not work. So I go over here, if I click this and I say view published site, you'll see that, come on. You'll see that there's no GT because it hasn't been published yet. And it'll just move over. All this stuff will move over. You can add it wherever you want. So, again, if you want to see what's published, you go to View Published Site, and that comes up. Where, if you notice, I still have, there's still GT in my web page, but I haven't published it. There's so many things you can do. Like, I didn't mess with any of the themes. It's kind of like PowerPoints or whatever your pages. You can insert. Those are the things I clicked on. They're just all right here. You can create different types of pages, but it's very simple. And then you can just share you can share the link, the site link with it. So I'm not sure if you're going to have any more questions. I'll send this to you tonight. I'm going to get rid of all this. I'm not going to publish it. I'm going to get rid of what I just did, and so then you can put whatever you want on there. But alright, if you have any questions, I'd be happy to talk with you about it, but I hope this helps. Thanks. Let me know if you need to. Just email me, say I'm good, or I need some more help. Alright, here you go.